Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the portable Wi-Fi. Confirm the SIM or eSIM is activated and the battery has at least 20% charge. Once done, insert the SIM carefully or enable the eSIM profile, then press the power button and hold until LEDs blink. You'll see a power LED and a network indicator. Make sure they stop blinking and show steady status. If there's a screen, note the network name. If not, check the label for default SSID and password before moving to configuration. You now connect and configure the hotspot. From your phone or laptop, find the SSID shown on the device or its label and join using the default password. Once connected, open the hotspot's web interface or official app and log in with the default credentials. You should change the SSID to something memorable and set a strong password. This secures your network. If mobile data isn't working, edit the APN settings to match your carrier and save. Then reboot the device to apply changes. You finish by optimizing placement and handling common problems. Put the hotspot near a window or higher location to improve cellular reception and keep it away from large metal objects. Make sure you limit simultaneous connections to maintain speed and pick 2, 4 or 5 GHz based on range versus performance. If things go wrong, restart the device first, then reset the SIM. If the issue persists, perform a factory reset. That reset restores defaults, so reconfigure your SSID and password.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.